11 students from the Coatesville area intermediate high school visited JGM Manufacturing with the goal of learning. What's so cool about manufacturing? JGM Manufacturing, located in Coatesville, Pennsylvania, is one of the safest, fastest, and most effective industrial construction and fabrication companies in North America. How do they do it? With steel. Safety is first and foremost. From boots to hard hat, JGM prioritizes safety over all else. In fact, the day we visited JGM, the company was offering its employees a brand new pair of steel-toe boots on the house. JGM leaves no stone unturned when it comes to safety precautions.
How important is teamwork to success at JGM?
Teamwork is everything. So the way we have our shop set up is we have teams within the shop, and these guys are working hard together all day, every day.
If you ask, the answer at JGM is we can, we will, we do. See, this is one of the mottos at JGM. JGM prides itself on being able to take on the toughest challenges, and quickly. How? The team at JGM is comprised of highly skilled employees. Everything we learned about the manufacturing industry is so cool. But from the employee's perspective, we had to ask.
I think so cool about my job is that it's basically Legos but for adults.
What I like most is building things from scratch. Taking a handful of parts, putting them together in the proper way, and then sending a completed product.
What is so cool about working at JGM is every day is a different day. I love to see what the guys can produce. They can take a small piece of steel and then it becomes like a huge bridge girder.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.